everyone, and welcome to Guarantee RV here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you this brand new 2019 Thor Palazzo that we just took in. I'm going to show you the inside because it's absolutely gorgeous, and then we'll come around and take a look at some of the outside features and follow me. Alright, here inside a 36-foot Thor Palazzo, and the first thing that you'll notice is this wonderful cockpit area. It's very well laid out, a nice big screen for your traveling maps and such, rear view cameras, side viewed cameras, and hiding above us is a drop down bed. So you've got twice the sleeping capacity in this than you would in normal or a usual motorhome this size. This great dinette area here, plenty of room for 4 people, along with your semi-L-shaped kitchen, aluminum appliances, and oh my goodness, brand new, just got here and hasn't been broken yet. Oh, voila, a double sink. Nice tight fitting inserts, you don't have to worry about those rattling around. And you'll see the gorgeous stainless steel refrigerator. This particular unit boasts the induction stovetop, which makes it an all-electric stove area. Your convection microwave, nice large piece right here. Lots of cooking ideas in that instruction book. When you come into the living area, a great little fireplace that will also put out heat, and it's usually enough heat to fill up this room and the next one. Overhead you'll see lots of cabinetry, plenty of storage in this gorgeous unit. These are loved by the cooks in the family. Great slide outs. More cabinets, and then the guest bathroom. Do we need a light on in there, cameraman? No. All right, come on in. And the way that you're seeing this bed right now is obviously with it in the up position, so this tells you that you do have that lift capability. Very nice for sitting and watching the giant 40-inch television screen across from you in the bedroom. Double closet doors for ample storage and hanging space, and a stackable washer and dryer as we go towards the rear bathroom. Beautiful Whirlpool washer dryer set. Stepping into the master bathroom, I'll let the cameraman take a picture of how nice and big this shower is. Great counter space and a very deep pull-out cabinet. Isn't that amazing? I love that. You don't have to reach in there, it comes to you. Porcelain toilet, all the comforts of home on wheels. This is a beauty. It just got here. We don't get a lot of these this beautiful in. I would come down and look at it as soon as you can, but in the meantime, let's take a look at the outside. What you'll see here is straight through storage with a sliding tray. This tray will slide all the way in the back and give you room to get access to whatever you put underneath it. Outside entertainment is what this pocket is, and another storage unit that goes all the way through, with the exception of the cross beams of your chassis. Access to your water tanks for winterization. Your battery compartment, and more access to your electronics. This unit has a 340 XCS Freightliner chassis. diesel fuel. This is your wash bay and your tanks. You have an area there at the bottom where you can run your tanks hose right through the bottom and you don't have to leave your door open. Your outside shower. As I'm showing you these pockets and these storage units, I'm noticing just how nicely these close. Not a lot of effort in shutting them. And the other side, and this is your propane. A nice sized unit to keep you going, keep you warm. This is our Thor Palazzo 2019-36, and I hope to see you soon. Please give me a call. Let me know if you'd like to see more of it. Take it for a test drive. My name's Teresa, and you can reach me at the information listed below. Thank you.